I feel great. But on that morning of that fight with Derek Lewis, as I'm on the treadmill, I'm like, God, I don't feel great this morning. Like, I'm kind of like achy, right? Shannon, I'm running, I sneeze. Bro, when I sneeze, threw my back out.
What?
Threw my back out. I sneezed so violently, my back went out. So now I'm stuck hunched over. Mind you, at 1 a.m. tonight, I've got to walk to that octagon and fight Derek Lewis. You can't lose a main event on the day. So then they come and they massage me. They give me a stem cell treatment. They get me up in the bottle around 5 o'clock in the afternoon. I go fight. It took one incident, a sneeze, essentially ended my career because I never want to fight again.
Right.
Stipe beat me the next time. Then he beat me the following time.